Soccer DBB number 289. 2016 Topps Premier Gold. Teams on the right. Good luck, guys. Nice, Sergio is doing the same what I'm doing with Burkhead. That would be a nice collection. We only have 2 boxes left. We're doing both either, so I think it doesn't care, huh? So Sergio doing Ronaldo United collection now, I guess. We have jersey Harry Kane. It's not the first time, Sergio. It isn't really the first time. That's true. So here we go. Benteke for Palace. Danke dir, Hector. We got Everton to 99. Upside down again here. We got Burnley Stadium. We got Berahino for West Brom. No, I mean only Ronaldo autographs in Man U jersey. That would be nice. Nice collection to see. And I mean all. Payet. And to 99, Chalobah for Chelsea autograph. Hector. We have Leicester, and then Manchester City, sorry, Manchester City Stadium. Daniel Sturridge. Upside down again. We have Bailey and Silva Bailey to 99 for Manchester United. Alright. We got Gylfi. Wow, is that the 3rd autograph in this one? It's the 3rd auto, right? We had 2 Chelsea though, didn't we? Oh no, only 1. And a silver, John Terry for Chelsea. Alright, that does it for this break, guys. Thanks again for joining. Hope to see you next time. Peace.